Hey guys, just want to talk to you real quick about bagging and tagging your parts. I know when you're taking these things apart, you're in a hurry and you think you're going to remember when everything goes, but you get some of these projects that last a year, 18 months, 2 years, and 2 years from now, you may not remember exactly which screws held on the gas door or which screws went to the trim around it. So you just get you a little cheap box of baggies. Maybe get you a couple of different sizes in case you want to bag stuff up, like a longer bolt or something inside the bigger bag. You know, a sharpie, some masking tape, a little cleaner to clean the part with as you take it apart so you can inspect it. And, you know, just label everything and mark everything. You can put masking tape on the back, right on the masking tape, or some of the trim. You can just write it straight to the back of the trim, just so you know where everything goes. Make your assembly a lot faster in the future whenever you actually get ready to start putting this thing back together after all your hard work. So again, it's a pretty simple process. Just bag it, label your bag so you know what they are, what screws are inside of it. So have your smaller bags. So if you have different size bolts, you can bag those and label exactly where those came out. And make life so much simpler when you're going back together. Thanks, and we appreciate you watching. Again, if you like this video, you like this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. It helps us out and helps us to continue to make these videos. Thanks, and have a great day.